In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a TXT record on Namecheap step by step, so you can verify your domain, connect services, and update your DNS without confusion. If you're setting up email authentication, website verification, or connecting a third-party platform, this is one of the most important records to know. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Domain List. This is where all of your domains are stored, and it's the starting point for managing your DNS settings. Next, find the domain you want to update and click the Manage button next to it. This will open the settings page for that specific domain, so make sure you choose the correct one before making any changes. After that, click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap keeps the records that control how your domain behaves across the internet. On this page, scroll down until you see the Host Records section. This is the area where you can add, edit, or remove DNS records like A records, CNAME records, and TXT records. Now click on Add New Record. A new row will appear, and from the Type drop-down, select TXT Record. That tells Namecheap you want to create a text-based DNS entry. In the Value field, enter the TXT value provided by your service provider. This value is very important, so copy it exactly as given. It might be used for domain verification, SPF, DKIM, Google Workspace, Microsoft, or another service that needs confirmation that you own the domain. In the Host field, enter it if you want the TXT record applied to the root domain. If your provider asks for a subdomain instead, then type the subdomain name there exactly as instructed. For example, some services may ask for something like mail or verify, depending on what you're connecting. Once everything looks correct, double-check the type, host, and value fields one more time. DNS changes are sensitive, and even a small typo can prevent the record from working properly. When you're sure everything is right, click Save All Changes. Namecheap will now save your new TXT record, and in many cases the update will begin propagating shortly after. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update across the internet, so if you don't see the result immediately, give it some time and try again later. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a TXT record on Namecheap the easy way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this one.